Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying version and license because compatibility eliminates many surprises. Once confirmed, backup configs and export mirror mappings so you can restore if needed. Disable automated jobs and set a maintenance window to avoid interference. Notify stakeholders so transfers pause. Next, check physical link LEDs, SFP seating, and port duplex/MTU settings. Fix any mismatch. These initial steps reduce variables, and make sure to log each change so you can track cause and effect. You now dive into diagnostics to identify root causes. First, collect control, data plane, and syslog logs covering the last 24 to 72 hours, then scan for repeated errors or failed handshakes. Run packet capture and checksum tests on mirrored streams to detect drops or corruption. Compare configuration hashes and policy rules between source and target to spot drift. If you find stale policies, apply corrected rules and reload only affected modules. This prevents full service interruption. You finish by re-enabling jobs gradually, watching CPU, memory, and mirror throughput to avoid sudden overloads. Once traffic flows, validate integrity with sampled end-to-end packets and timestamp comparisons to confirm latency and ordering are correct. Make sure to update runbooks with fixes and schedule a follow-up audit. If problems persist, roll back to the backup you made earlier, attach the collected logs, and escalate to vendor support. This ensures a clean state and gives engineers the data they need to resolve deeper issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.